Hi, welcome back. Today we are diving into an exciting battle in the AI space, Nvidia versus DeepSeek. Could Nvidia really be destroyed by a new AI startup, or is this just hype? Let's break it down with real fact and logic. Stay till the end. But remember, this is not financial advice, just an educational discussion. Always do your own research. Now, let's get started. Do you think any company can beat Nvidia? Comment yes or no below. What is DeepSeek and why is it a threat? DeepSeek is a new AI chip startup. They claim their GPUs are faster, cheaper, and more efficient than Nvidia's. Some say DeepSeek could take Nvidia place in AI chips, but is this really possible? Let's analyze with strong logic. 5 reasons why Nvidia is untouchable. Number 1. Nvidia technology is years ahead. Nvidia has spent 30 years plus perfecting its GPU technology. CUDA software. Nvidia software CUDA is used by millions of developers worldwide. Even if DeepSeek makes better hardware, developers won't switch easily. It's like Apple, iOS. People stay with Apple because of the ecosystem. Same with Nvidia. Number 2, Nvidia dominate the AI market. Nvidia control 80% of AI chip market. Big company trust Nvidia. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Tesla, OpenAI like ChatGPT all use Nvidia. DeepSeek is a new. Big companies want risk billion on unproven technology. What you want? Would you rather fly with a trusted airline or a brand new one with no safety record? Number 3. Nvidia scale is too big to beat. Nvidia must produce GPUs at a low cost. DeepSeek cannot match Nvidia's production yet. Nvidia's profit margin are 55%. They can cut prices anytime to beat new competition. It's like trying to beat Coca-Cola even if you make a better drink. Coke brand trust and scale are too strong. Number 4. Nvidia has powerful customer relationship. Amazon, Google, Meta, Microsoft and OpenAI like ChatGPT trust on Nvidia. For AI, even Tesla self-driving car use Nvidia chips. DeepSeek would need years to build this trust. It's like trying to open a new coffee shop next to Starbucks. People trust what they know. Number 5. Nvidia has huge financial power. Free cash flow, $27 billion free cash flow. Nvidia spent R&D $5 billion per year. DeepSeek cannot match this. If needed, Nvidia can drop prices or buy competitors to stay ahead. Nvidia continue growing revenue and net profit. Debt to equity ratio 17.22 show strong balance sheet. ROE more than 123%. It's super. Imagine a new car company trying to beat Tesla. Even if they make a great car, Tesla has money, factories and trust. New companies struggle to survive. The big question, can DeepSeek compete? DeepSeek might grab a small market share in the future. It will take years and billions of dollars to compete with Nvidia. Is Nvidia in trouble? According to my personal view, no. Nvidia is like Apple or Tesla, too strong to be destroyed overnight. DeepSeek might make noise, but Nvidia's technology, CUDA, market dominance, more than 80% market share, mass production power, customer trust, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Tesla, OpenAI like ChatGPT use NVIDIA chips. NVIDIA financial strength $27 billion free cash flow, strong balance sheet, continue growing revenue and net profit, high profit margin, and super ROE show NVIDIA strong financial make it impossible to destroy in the near future. Are you still here? Now, this is for you. Bonus NVIDIA stock has 34% potential upside from its current price to its all-time high. Even if it take years, that's a great return compared to most investment. So, is Nvidia in trouble? Not likely. The real question is, will you take advantage of the opportunity? What do you think? Will DeepSeek rise or is Nvidia too strong? Drop a comment below. If you love discovering future of investing, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Share this with your loved one. Thank you. Limited time offer. My premium course is coming soon. Check the description for best offer. Thank you for watching. See you in next one. Take care. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. It is only for educational purpose. Do your own research or consult a financial expert before taking any investment decision. I am not licensed holding advisor. Thank you.